In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe on Payhip. Setting up payment gateways can sometimes feel a bit daunting, but don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step to make it as smooth and easy as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Stripe account successfully connected to Payhip, allowing you to accept payments seamlessly from your customers. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Payhip account. Once you've entered your credentials and you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can make various adjustments to your Payhip account. Here, we'll focus on setting up your payment method. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice multiple tabs. You're specifically going to want to navigate to the Payment Details tab. This is where you'll handle all things related to payments, and importantly, where you'll connect Stripe. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Accept Payments with Stripe. This is your destination. Now here comes the critical part: connecting your Stripe account. You'll see a button that says Connect Your Account. Click on that, and you'll be prompted with two possible paths. If you already have a Stripe account, it's time to log in. Enter your Stripe credentials, and you'll be guided through the authorization process. This allows Payhip to access your Stripe account, an essential step for integrating both platforms. For those of you who haven't yet set up a Stripe account, don't worry, there's an option for you too. Simply click on Sign Up for Stripe. This will lead you to the Stripe sign-up page, where you'll input all the necessary details about your business and personal information. Be prepared, as Stripe will also ask you to complete two-step authentication. This added layer of security helps protect your newly created account. Once you've signed up and gone through all the steps, you'll then proceed to authorize Payhip to connect with your new Stripe account. After successfully connecting, you'll be redirected back to the Payhip platform. At this point, you should find your Stripe account listed under your payment methods, confirming that the connection has been successfully established. And there you have it. Connecting Stripe to Payhip is complete. This video aims to make it easier for you to manage payments for your online store or digital products. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Payhip.